Hey guys, welcome back for another shop spotlight. Today we're talking about modern pink paper. This shop was started in 2010 by Dahlia out of Texas. To date, she has over 15,000 sales and over 1,100 items in her shop. I ran across her when I was looking for some personalized paper for my nieces to start a little pen pal writing program with the girls they were meeting at summer camp, and it was a hit. They were really beautiful, high quality papers, and the girls just loved them. She also sells invitations, note cards, notepads, thank you cards, anything that you could possibly think of, stationery and invitation wise, she's got it in her shop. So if you are on the lookout for either personalized stationery or party invitations, I hope you'll give her a look. I'll leave a link below directly to her shop in the description below. As always, I appreciate you stopping in today. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future handmade shop spotlights.